Oswal Pumps gets fresh Maharashtra order, strong order book continues to grow. Oswal Pumps has announced another significant order win, further strengthening its position in India's rapidly expanding solar irrigation market. The company has received communication from the Maharashtra State Electricity Distribution Company Limited for an additional order of 10,000 off-grid DC solar photovoltaic water pumping systems. The order has an estimated value of approximately 235.92 crore rupees, including GST. It is another meaningful addition to the company's growing order book and reinforces its strong presence in the government-backed solar irrigation segment. The project has been awarded under the PM Kusum B scheme through the Magale Tyala Sur Krishi Pump Yojana in Maharashtra. This scheme aims to promote solar-powered irrigation by helping farmers replace conventional diesel and electric pumps with clean energy solutions. Under the contract, Oswal Pumps will undertake the complete execution of the project. The scope includes designing, manufacturing, supplying, transporting, installing, testing and commissioning the solar pumping systems at identified farmer locations across Maharashtra. The company will also provide a comprehensive system warranty, repair and maintenance services, along with a remote monitoring system for 5 years. Such long-term service commitments not only improve customer satisfaction but can also create recurring service opportunities. The order covers off-grid DC solar photovoltaic water pumping systems in 3 HP, 5 HP and 7.5 HP capacities. These systems are widely used for agricultural irrigation, especially in regions where grid connectivity is limited or unreliable. The project is required to be completed within 60 days from the issuance of the notice to proceed or work order. A relatively short execution timeline highlights the company's operational capabilities and manufacturing readiness. Fast execution is often an important competitive advantage in government infrastructure projects. Companies that consistently deliver projects on time are generally better positioned to secure repeat business. For investors, this announcement strengthens revenue visibility for the coming quarters. A healthy order pipeline provides greater confidence regarding future business activity and operational performance. The order also reflects continued government support for renewable energy adoption in agriculture. Solar irrigation has become a key component of India's strategy to improve farm productivity while reducing dependence on fossil fuels. Solar pumps offer multiple advantages over traditional irrigation systems. Farmers benefit from significantly lower operating costs since solar energy eliminates recurring fuel expenses and reduces electricity dependence. At the same time, renewable-powered irrigation contributes to India's clean energy goals by lowering carbon emissions. Increasing adoption of solar pumps supports both agricultural development and environmental sustainability. The PM Kusum scheme continues to create substantial business opportunities for companies operating in this segment. As more states expand solar irrigation initiatives, demand for reliable manufacturers is expected to remain healthy. Oswal Pumps has established itself as one of the leading players in the solar pumping industry. Its integrated capabilities across manufacturing, installation and after-sales service strengthen its competitive position. Large government contracts also enhance the company's credibility. Successfully executing such projects can improve its chances of winning future tenders across multiple states. However, investors should remember that receiving an order is only the first stage of value creation. Timely execution, efficient cost management and healthy collections ultimately determine the financial impact of the contract. Working capital management will remain an important parameter to monitor. Government projects often involve milestone-based payments, making efficient cash flow management essential for maintaining profitability. Another factor worth watching is execution quality. Since the company is responsible for installation, commissioning and long-term maintenance, operational efficiency will play a significant role in customer satisfaction. The solar irrigation industry continues to benefit from favorable policy support. Rising focus on renewable energy, water conservation and sustainable agriculture is expected to drive long-term demand for solar pumping systems. India's agriculture sector presents a large addressable market for solar irrigation solutions. Millions of farms still rely on conventional irrigation methods, creating substantial growth opportunities over the coming years. Competition within the sector is increasing as more companies enter the renewable energy space. However, established players with proven execution capabilities and manufacturing scale are likely to maintain a competitive advantage. For investors, recurring order wins demonstrate management's ability to secure business in a highly competitive environment. A consistent flow of government contracts can strengthen earnings visibility and support long-term growth. Future quarterly results should be monitored for execution progress, revenue recognition and margin performance related to this and other government orders. These factors will determine how effectively the company converts its growing order book into profits. Overall, the 235.92 crore rupees Maharashtra solar pump order represents another positive operational development for Oswal Pumps. The company continues to benefit from a growing order pipeline. Government policies remain supportive of the renewable energy sector. Demand for solar irrigation solutions is also increasing steadily. Together, these factors strengthen the company's long-term growth outlook. However, timely execution of orders will remain the most important factor for investors to monitor.